Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. I'm doing this video in English for my non-Malayali friends. Today I'm going to show you how to buy kurtis with very good discount from Ajio website. So I'm opening Ajio app. You can even check directly in Ajio website itself. So this is the front screen. So normally if you check it, there are a lot of discounts. So I normally buy with this discount trend 70. You can see trends and 70% off. If you click there, it will take you to a page where you can see a lot of product with the same discount which we have seen. If you don't come this way and if you go and directly search and find it, it will be very difficult to find out the product under that discount alone. And when we buy it, if we don't buy all the items within that discount, we will not get discount for all the product. Why? Because we can apply only one coupon code at the time of billing. So if we buy dresses or items with the different coupon codes, then we will not be able to get discounts. So this is the normal way how I select the products, and I'm not sure if there is a better way than this. Anyhow, this is not a promotional video. I felt this is a better way of purchasing good dresses with a very less price, because if you go to showroom also we will have to pay a lot of amount. Even in the normal shops we will not get for this price for sure. And here there are a lot of tricks actually we need to follow. Why? Because this offer, whenever it comes, there are a lot of people who is buying, so there is a huge chance of getting the product out of stock quickly. So as I said, if we click in that discount and come inside, you will see a lot of products. So here we can actually use the category sort and filter option to find out our dresses according to our wish. So here what we can do, we can use sort by from low to high. So we'll get the lowest price first, and then if you want what's new, something like if you are looking for some new items which has come, you can select new. Or if you are looking for something which is having a lot of discount, you can filter with discount. So after doing it, I have filtered the category also only to kurtis. So I can see the lowest price kurtis over here, and you can see it is having, even this is applicable for flat 73 offer as well. If we apply flat 73, we will get even for lesser price. And here only one size is available, and if before buying we need to check the size, bust and waist, everything, otherwise we will end up buying the wrong product. So check everything thoroughly before buying and adding into the cart. And once it is added, we can actually select again other products. So to buy this 70 percentage, we have to see the conditions here. So to get flat 73 percentage off, we need to buy for 1490 and above. Likewise for 70 also we need to follow some price. So normally I keep 2000 rupees in my mind, so that at the time of billing I can do the calculation. Here if we calculate and do it, no, it will actually we will lapse the time, and finally we will end up seeing all the product out of stock as well. So better you add extra kurtis, like if you want 10 kurtis, you add some 15 kurtis or between 15 products within the same discount. So what will happen, by the time you reach the billing session, you will see a lot of product out of stock, or some products which is not deliverable to your address, whatever the address you have selected. In that case, if you have extra items, you can remove all those items. Then you will have the no minimum eligibility amount items in your bag, so that you can go ahead with the billing instead of going and spending time in searching, and then again some of the products will go out of stock. As I said earlier, we need to take quick action and buy these products, but while doing, we should not end up buying a wrong product as well. So we can actually zoom like this the photo however it is wearing. So actually I have got all the products exactly as in the model house they are wearing. So there is no difference, especially in Ajio I have seen it. Maybe in Amazon and other Flipkart I have seen, no, it's not matching exactly with the model. But here we can trust and buy it. That's the only thing I can say. And I'm just adding a lot of kurtis. If you want other than kurti also, you can go to category and filter it and take it. And here also again you can sort it, and if you want the low high price, like if you want to have some good item for your function or something, then you can filter with high to low. So you will see some high quality products like 5000 rupees product with discount, you will get it for 2000 rupees. And according to the requirement, we can buy kurtis, short tops, even jeans or ornaments. There are a lot of items available. So we can choose, and using this filter option we can buy. Normally the kids dress will be little costly, but whenever the discount comes more than 60, from 60 it is really good actually. 60, 66, 68 and 70, 73, sometimes even comes 78 percentage. So that is the very good percentage. But I never no bought in that discount, because it always goes out of stock very quickly. And there are some products like which we don't want, especially this shoes or bags or wallet. But for gifting, that's a good option. We can actually even go to these extra filters, and then no choose according to our wish. Here I am just checking for 11 to 12 years old dress for my sister's daughter. So they want some products, so they told me to order and give, because some people, if you check your friends or your neighbors, they may not know how to buy it, and they don't know when the discount comes. So if you can help them also, it will be extra, it will be very good. Instead of going to a shop and spending your time, and by spending a lot of money, you can sit at home and spending, just with the 2000 rupees you can buy a lot of items. Even sometimes if something damage or some return, if you don't have to do, if you go to a normal shop, if you have experienced anything, the shop keepers know, they will look at us like as if we have done some crime if we go for a replacement. So in order to avoid that situation, actually we can use this online option. We can just return it. Nobody will ask any questions, and we don't need to face all these situations as well. So this is actually a very good option. And then here also you can see at 599 worth dress, we can get it for very less price. And even for gifting and all, you can even buy 2 3 items and keep it, and then gift for somebody also. If you go to any shop without having 1000 or 2000 rupees in your hand, you will not be able to buy even single dress from a mall or normal shop. I'm telling about this same quality of dress. But here, in sitting at home, you can buy very good discount dress, and according to your wish, you can buy a lot of things as well. Even you can gift 2 3 together. Here, even some no party dress also comes with an offer. But always this product will not be same. Sometimes this product will be available in this discount. Maybe after some time this won't be available as well. And another good part of this online purchasing is that we don't need to keep the bill safe. So if you go to a shop and buy it, you need to keep the bill and then go back to them within a week or within 3 days to return it and get the new one. But here we have 30 days of return policy for most of the products. You can if you go down, you can see here itself the return policy, and we can return it as well. So that is the advantage of buying online. And here I have added a lot of products, and I have come here. So the coupon savings, that part, you have an option to apply coupon. There if you click it, it will take you to a page where we can see a lot of coupon code like this. So the first one is 1070, where we can see a lot of money. So if you apply it, it will show the coupon code is applied. On the top of each dress, you can see that yellow color icon with that coupon code which is applied. So you just cross check all the dresses are having the same coupon code. And if something is without discount, you just delete that. And next option is order confirmation page. So I have already some amount in my wallet. That's the reason it is already taking there. You can actually use this cash on delivery if you don't want to use net banking or other options. The last option is cash on delivery. So currently I am using my wallet, and then I am clicking it, ordering. So I will get a message stating order confirmed, and I will have all my kurtis details with expected date of delivery as well. So normally they deliver within the date only. Sometimes they'll extend as well, maybe based on the conditions, maybe it is getting delayed. And that's how I buy a lot of kurtis and items. Even my neighbors know now, and I buy for them as well. And that's all about today's video. If you like the video, please do like it and share with your friends as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.